Lesson 9.3, Video 1. Multiplying and dividing rational expressions. Again, with rational expressions, we aren't solving, but we are simplifying. So, the key concept for our first topic of multiplying rational expressions is that we will multiply numerators times numerators and denominators times denominators. Make sure you simplify the expression at the end by looking for factors that could cancel. Remembering, of course, that with fractions we always keep in mind that denominators cannot be zero. And this is what this statement means. It's referring to those two letters in each denominator. An example that's given is that if we have, again, a top times top, the power becomes fourth because it's x to the 1 times 3x to the third. The bottom is just simply written as one piece times the other. And it can be written just like that, and that would be fine. So let's try some examples. One thing to keep in mind when we are multiplying fractions, that we can simplify the fractions before we multiply or after. It's up to you. Sometimes it's simpler to simplify before. And you can simplify fractions vertically if they have something in common, or diagonally if they have something in common. In this particular case, I can simplify diagonally because of the 4's. And if I look at all the other terms, that's all that is left. That's all that we have in common, so we can't cancel anything else. Again, we can only cancel vertically and diagonally. So what's left is 3 times 1. And that's all that's on top, and then x squared times 10x to the third, which would give us 10x, and we add exponents when we're multiplying bases, x to the fifth. So 3 over 10x to the fifth. Our next one, again, we look and see if we can cancel anything before. Again, you can cancel after you multiply, but sometimes it's simpler to cancel first. Well, we notice that I can cancel, there's quite a few 5n squareds, so I'm just going to cancel those two. I have 3n plus 7 in top and bottom, so I can cancel those. And all that's left is 5n squared on top, and 3 is the only thing left on the bottom. And this ends Lesson 9.3, Video 1.